Alright, hello everyone. As you can see, I've got another package in front of me. This is a package I'm actually pretty excited about. I got this from a trade from Simplex Guy here on YouTube. I am also sending him something that, unfortunately, I haven't been able to send him yet just because of, I've been having issues with our printer at home, but, you know, that's beyond the point. He will be getting something from me, hopefully within next week. But in the meantime, I have a package from him. So let's go ahead and open this up, just with a key. You'll notice I do have the package turned upside down, just so I don't reveal my address or his for our own privacy. It's got one more side to undo here. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, got some bubble wrap. And hopefully y'all didn't see what I got, and I'm already taking a quick look at it, and it looks awesome. So, what did I get, you ask? This guy right here. Check it out. This is a Simplex 40-40-60, I believe. Or 40-50-60. I can't remember. It looks like a 40-50-80 light plate, but this is a slightly older variation. You'll look on the back, it looks like I did actually get a bulb with this, and it's kind of loose. I'm going to have to find a way to fix that in there, and you'll notice that I also have a horn in here, so I'll just pull that out real quick. And this is a 40-50 horn. So AC horn. There's the label on it. This is a 12 volt 40-50. And there's the light plate. You'll notice that this is the one in his video that had the wire on it to hold this lens in place, which it almost looks like the lens is in place. I don't know, I'm just kind of looking at this thing just to kind of start with, but there it is. Looks very nice. I'll be right back with you and we'll do a little testing. Alright, so as you can see, I've got the 40-50-60 hooked up. The 40-50 is flush with the plate, as you can see there. And you can see I also did remove the wire around this lens just because it doesn't really need it. Now the way I have this wired up is that the light is a 4-watt 120 volt appliance light bulb. So that's just, you know, wired straight into this plug. But the horn is 12 volts AC, so I have this doorbell transformer hooked up in parallel with the wiring for the light. So it does look a bit sketchy, but it does work. So that's going to be really loud, and I'm just going to test it by plugging it in. Yeah, I made that pretty quick. One thing that's kind of cool is that this light actually has a really nice hue to it when you're in person. On the video, it's you can see the bulb very clearly in there, but in person, this just lights up as a very nice, soft red color. So it's pretty nice looking, but obviously you heard that horn is very loud and a little bit raspy. And I don't know if you can see it, but this you can definitely see the diaphragm of the horn shaking quite a bit. So yeah, this is my new 40-50 plus 40-50-60 light plate. So that's going to wrap up today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And one more huge shout out to Simplex Guy for sending me this. I know I was one of several guys who, you know, inquired about these plates when he got them, and we came to a trade deal on that. You'll see what he's getting, but I'm sidetracked. I'm going to link his channel in the description. His content is pretty cool. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description. Thank you, and have a great day.